Hello there YouTubers, my name's Charlie Chittenden. It is Thursday the 21st of July 2016 and I'm going to conduct a ghost box session here, which is part 2 of my attempt to communicate with the spirit of the pioneering nurse Florence Nightingale. So let's turn the power on here and see what we can get. I'll go in reverse sweep as always. Let's see what we get here. Are there any spirit beings present who could please bring forward the spirit of the pioneering nurse Florence Nightingale, please? Florence, can you speak to me, please? Florence was born in 1910 in Florence, Italy. Florence, can you come through, please? Florence, you nursed wounded soldiers during the Crimean War. Could you explain what that was like? Florence Nightingale passed away in 1910, bedridden and blind, in Mayfair in London, England. If you've passed away or you're deceased, please speak as loudly as you can into this device and I can hear you. Can you please bring forward the spirit of Florence Nightingale, please? Florence, if you're there, can you say, "I'm Florence"? Or can you say Charlie, Florence? My name's Charlie. Could you say Charlie, please? Florence Nightingale, can you please speak with me? What do you feel was your greatest nursing achievement? If Florence is unable to speak for some reason, is there a spirit person there that could speak on her behalf, please? Florence was known as the lady with the lamp. Can you please bring Florence forward? Florence, I come to you with profound respect and incontrovertible sincerity. I wish to speak with you. Is there anything you would like to pass on to any of your fans? Do you have a message for the world? Are you generally happy with nursing practices and standards today in contemporary living? Okay, I'm going to go now. Thank you for all your communication. It'd be nice if you could say goodbye to me. Could you say goodbye, please? Okay, goodbye.